Your body doesn't wake up ready, it wakes up compressed. Your spine is stiff, your hips are tight, your nervous system is still half asleep, and most people make this worse immediately. They grab their phone, sit, rush, start moving fast before their body's even turned on. And that's why everything feels off. Weak in the gym, tight throughout the day, low energy for no reason because your body wasn't activated. It was forced into movement. But there's a better way to start your day. There's a 4-minute sequence that resets your posture, wakes up your nervous system, and puts your body back into alignment before you do anything else. And the difference isn't the exercises, it's when you do them. Because if you miss this window, you carry dysfunction into the entire day. Let's start with the first thing your body needs the moment you wake up. 1. Spinal decompression reset. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your spine is compressed, not injured, not damaged, just loaded. And if you stand up and start moving right away, that pressure stays, which is why your back feels stiff in the morning. This fixes that in under a minute. Stand tall, reach your arms overhead, interlock your fingers, and slowly reach up toward the ceiling. Now here's the key. Don't rush it. Take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, reach higher, like you're creating space between every vertebra. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then relax. Repeat it one more time. You should feel your spine open up. This is the first signal. You're telling your body, hey, we're moving today. 2. The glute activation switch. Right now, your glutes are still off, and if they stay off, your lower back and hips take over everything. That's where the problems start. So before you walk, before you sit, before you train, you turn them back on. Lie on your back, feet flat, knees bent, drive through your heels and lift your hips. Now hold and check. Are your glutes actually working, or is your lower back doing it? Here's the fix. Think about pulling your heels toward your body without moving them. That locks your glutes in. Now hold for 30 seconds. Rest. Repeat for 2 rounds. This is the moment your body starts waking up, because now your engine is online again. Most people think energy comes from caffeine. It doesn't. It comes from activation. Because once your body starts firing correctly, everything else feels easier. But there's one area that controls more of your movement than you realize. And if it's tight, your entire day feels restricted. 3. The hip unlock. Your hips have been stuck all night, bent, inactive, shortened. So when you stand up, your body doesn't extend properly. That's why your stride feels off. Your posture feels collapsed. This resets that. Feet on a wall, hips and knees at 90 degrees. Press your heels into the wall and slightly lift your hips. Pause at the top, then lower slowly, controlled. 10 reps. Now here's what matters. You should feel this in your hamstrings and glutes, not your lower back. If you feel your back, you skipped the previous step. Go back and fix it. Do 2 sets of 10. Now your hips are actually working again. 4. The upper back reset. This is the part almost nobody fixes, your upper back. Because if this stays rounded, your shoulders tighten, your neck strains, and your posture collapses before the day even starts. So instead of stretching forward, you reverse it, grab a foam roller, place it under your mid-back, lay over it, and gently extend backward. Don't roll, just open. Hold for a few seconds. Relax, shift slightly, repeat. Do this for about 60 seconds. This is what reopens your posture. Now your shoulders sit where they're supposed to, your chest opens, and your breathing improves instantly. Now put it together. This is where everything clicks, because this isn't random, it's a sequence, and timing matters. Do this within the first 10 minutes of waking up, before your phone, before coffee, before anything. Here's the exact flow. 30 seconds. Overhead reach. 30 seconds. Repeat reach. 30 seconds. Glute bridge hold. 30 seconds. Second hold. 1 minute. 90. 90. Hip lifts. 1 minute thoracic extension. That's it. 4 minutes. But it hits everything. Spine, glutes, hips, posture, and more importantly, it tells your nervous system, we're aligned, we're ready. Why this works? Your body doesn't need more effort. It needs better signals. Because every movement you do after this is built on what your body thinks is normal. If your body starts the day tight and misaligned, everything reinforces that. But if you reset first, everything improves automatically. Your walks feel smoother, your lifts feel stronger, even your energy feels different. Not because you worked harder, but because your body is finally in position. None of this feels intense, none of it feels impressive, but that's why it works. Because the things that fix your body usually don't look like workouts. They look like corrections. Do this every morning, and you won't just feel better. You'll move better, stand better, and perform better without adding anything else. If you skip this, your body spends the entire day trying to catch up. If you do it, everything starts one step ahead. If you want to see how to turn this into a full daily system with the exact movements that build strength on top of this foundation, the next video shows you exactly how to do it.